Hi everyone, welcome to JavaByte. In this video, we'll see how to find out the second maximum value element from the given integer list using stream functions. Means we need to find out the second max element from the given integer list. We can solve this problem. Let's jump to IDE. Here I have created a class with name find second maximum value element, and I've added the main method where the execution of the program will start from the main method. The question is find the second maximum value element from the given integer list using stream functions. This is the input values. So let's create a input list. In the first step, what we need to do, we need to create input list. For creating an input list, what we need to do, we need to use a list of type integer, and I'm going to import this list from java.util.list, and I will name this list as a input list, and I am going to initialize this list using arrays.asList method, and I'm going to add this input values to this asList method. In the first step, we have created the integer list using arrays.asList method. In the next step, we need to find out second max element and print it. Okay. Here we need to use a stream function to find out the second max element. For that, first we need to convert this input list to a stream of integers. For that, we need to apply the stream function on this input list, where this stream function returns a stream of integer. And here, using stream function, we need to use the methods provided by stream function. First, we can see that here this is the input list. Okay, here we can see that some values are repeated. For example, we can see here 15 value is repeated. Okay, so we need first in the first step we need to remove the duplicate elements. I hope you know how to find out how to remove the duplicate elements. If you don't know how to remove the duplicate elements, I have explained in another video in detail. Please watch that video. Here we need to use the distinct keyword where it will remove the duplicate element. Okay. So in the next step, after after removing the duplicate elements, we need to sort this array in descending order. For that, stream provided one method called sorted, where this sorted method we need to sort this input list in sorted order, right? In a descending order. For that, I am going to provide comparator dot one second comparator dot descending order means reverse order. In the natural order means it will sort in ascending order. If you want to sort the list in the descending order means we need to use a reverse order. And after this, what we need to do, after this we need to skip the first element, because if this list got sorted in the reverse order means it will sort based on the maximum values. Initially it will come like 50 and 35, 25 and 20. So we need to find out a second max element. For that we need to skip the first maximum value. After that we need to find out the first element, where this find first method will return an optional value. So we need to use optional of integer. I will name it as a second max element. Okay. Now successfully we got the second max element using this logic. Now what we need to check the value is present or not inside the second max element variable. For that I am going to use if second max element variable dot is present, then I need to print it. Dot out dot println second max element dot get. If it is present, I am printing that value. Here, what we have done in the first step, we have used the distinct keyword to remove duplicate values from the list. In the second step, I have sorted the list in descending order. Using a sorted method, here I provide the comparator dot reverse order. It will sort the list in the descending order. And in the third step, I have skipped the first max element. So we can get the second max element easily. In this way, we can find out the second max element using stream functions. I hope you understood the logic of this problem statement, guys. Let's run our program. Here we can see that it's printing the 35. Means when it comes to a list, we can see here 50 is the first max element, 35 is the second maximum element. In this way, we can find out the second maximum element. If we want to find out the third maximum element, simply what we need to do, we need to we need to skip the two initial maximum elements. So it will return the third maximum element. Let's see. Here it's printing 25. In this list, we can see the first maximum element is 50, second maximum element is 35, and third maximum element is 25. In this way, we can find out the second, third, and fourth maximum elements using the skip function and find first method. I hope you understood the logic of this problem statement, guys. If you like the content of the video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.